Okay, now here they asked to find DBC, right? This angle they asked, right? Okay, now I will here put X. This angle they will ask to find, right? DBC, angle DBC. Now first of all I will tell you, here some will get wrong, they will start with the wrong method, but the sometime maybe they will think this one, but the when you have tangent, here we have no tangent. When you have tangent, at the tangent point, if you have a chord with the tangent point, this one subtended angle, this one equal to this, like that. But here you can't use that because there's no tangent. Because why? I need to tell here, some will think directly this x equal to 30, because this one equal to this, because it's look like this, when you have tangent here, this one equal to this, alternate segment theorem normally we call this angle equal to this angle, right? The problem is here we have no tangent, so you can't apply that here. So right, but there are another theorem we can apply here. So first of all here, like I always mention to you, but the mark other angle what you can, right, what you can find. Now here look, from AB, 2 point AB, go to circumference like this. From same 2 point AB go to E, right? So that's why this must be equal to this, right? Because this angle, that means this 50 degree, and this angle mean here AEB angle. This angle is start say from same 2 point, from AB go to AB, from AB go to D here, from AB go to E. So these two equal. Now here 50, right? I will mark here as 50 because this must equal to this. Then we know this all together, this both together, this is a angle of the cyclic quadrilateral, right? This one, but the AED, this one, one angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral, no? That means ABDE means cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, we learn another theorem like this way. When you have cyclic quadrilateral, right? I will remind you that when you have cyclic quadrilateral like this, right? If you extended one side, this exterior angle, this one, will be equal to interior opposite angle. That means this one, right? This will be equal to this one. Try to understand when you have the cyclic quadrilateral. If you extend one side, this exterior angle will be equal to not the closest to this exterior angle. That means not this one, opposite one, this one, right? This exterior angle, this angle will be equal to interior opposite angle. That means this one, right? These two will be equal. So that theorem we can use here. But this angle, no, they ask, this angle, no, right? DBC, this angle, no, they ask. This one will be equal to interior, not this one, this angle, right? That means when you add this two angle together, that angle, that means this one will be equal to this. So you can write directly, but the DBC angle will be equal to the 30 plus 50 degrees, this one, right? What the reason, in a cyclic quadrilateral, when extended one side, exterior angle will be equal to interior opposite angle, like that. That's the theorem. So here will be the DBC equal 30 plus 50 mean 80 degrees. So that's the answer for DBC.